J'ai habité sans moyen.
Amenkamfo Security and Tech Solution Service Enfamount. So we Rumaku be wesi a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall. Say ye electrify or fence no Enfamount. Na yen say ye mo a CCTV cameras. I be try when na solar panels are a bell say light crack offer. Wo honum en dumna light bejina 24/7. Me Kamfo Security and Tech Solution Service the amount from na enu any adwuma from 0244 571-977 and 020-670-9117. I was more about the Island Media, then I made word need Chiremu Ewo, Ablekuma North. Their cost for Hono, Minia, and Seweni, and Sassy a catcher. Corresa Macho-Men, Aka Hawa Koomson to form Nanya Yao Bono, police for Oakland to me pata. And then their costly, Mommy and Coffee Amres here.
J'ai habité sans moyen. Yeah. The police is talking about what is he doing there? The serious here is that they are caught. Oh man.
Abusia ene da hono obabesia ena memman kentinka aka nato forma chese ya bono police for current mimpata. What is really going on? Na de nam so ekofa bae eni yenya ne ntie se nikpapo a oye Accra mayor wakoche sika bi 100 cedis notes eno na nam so a ede sa na ma we nyina ba yenkohwe mra na wo che sika na mra. Abusia eno wo chiska this vote buying say ene ye to aba na so ko jiro ko chisika. What are you trying to tell us? What's really going on? NDC adena mo ye mama ban ayi on popular na mo ye bo pini eye ni kwako eye Accra mayor no ye bo pini no na nsem sei no nso ede tu dwa
ajaboa
ese ne de
ajaboa
ye we ne ntino se
ajaboa me dey me party for a bar no power me dey me party for a bar ye beto aba bia ye wo prompters ana me boa somebody say won go from afo fifi na me ba no me ba ha o machi me ntuna fa aduane bia mba ha na o hwe ma me bi to aduane wa and I'm a party 4-6. Mom start on would go to do. No more go from for number. I mean to say, oh by your camera won't send me this car movie. Me John, me Chris Kabia, okay me, me Chris Cascano, me you were in a match. Allegation qua, shall we bottom, Mamma to bottom number. Me Chris Kabia, me Chris Kabia, allegation qua. Why? To move from to her, say.
Abusia, ne also e kanu no. Wone ne ya adwen. So one ya adwen me won comment section, but ni papo honorable Mr. O, what you are saying is not true. What win him say asema kenye no kre. hwɛ baabi a sika yi kɔɔ so na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ɛna na wobaeɛ na mu ne diɛ na mo boys ne bi ne diɛ na ɔma mu sika no nipa na de sika no ma no kora wotum sɛ wɔmmoa na ade hyɛ ne nsɛm ɔno kora wɔnim sika kora a wɔde ma na akyire ne obi mu sɛ 100 cities na ade ama no but wo don't NDC, what you guys are doing is no good. It's no good at all. We say basa ye baba and namoso. Hey, MPP ni NDC, ma men ka sem we nkyerɛ mo. Hey, ɔman we nyamo dia o. Ghana enyamo dia. Sɛ munya power, sebi nsɛmfo a mudi wɔ krom ha sei no. Mudu metie obi afa ahodie so. Mati ase na Ablekuma no for abakakra we ye 19 police station abakaka na ye to no abato we adwenkyere enya ntokwasem hwe de mu ye a mokofa chaos de aba mo hwe mo bo bi maame atofo ma mo bo no de maame anka be ye ne sa abusu amamu adwenkyere comment section enne ye ni Ablekuma no de beto fom bia no ye be ma won sa ka me ka za high island media Ghana koso edi echi ne de be koso bia nso no ye be ma so ate
You are beating someone here. What? There's two chaos here. Yeah. The police is talking the people. What is he doing there? The serious here is that they are caught. Oh man. You are beating someone here. What? There's two chaos here. Yeah. The police is talking the people. What is he doing there? The serious here is that they are caught. Oh man.
So let us